Hello. Good morning. Woke up late. I can't lie. Alan, if you're here, thank you for the message, bro. You literally got me out of bed. Legit, it was you that got me out of bed, bro. I was awake, but I was half like, Right, that's all done. That's all updated. Let's just do 3-screen split. Drop that middle. Drop that right. Drop that right there. Right, let's have a look what's happening then. We took the high, we took the low, stuck in the middle here. Let's go on the M5 really quick. Build up, pull back, build up, pull back, build up extension outwards. Okay, we had bad data for the GBP actually because we had unemployment rate and stuff. It's supposed to be the previous is 4.6, forecast is 4.6%, came out 4.7, so seeing unemployment rate increase, that wasn't good. Unemployment change increase, but the employment change in the quarter went up by 90,000, which is good. UK earnings stayed 5%. The UK average earnings excluding bonus went up. It was a mixed actually. It's quite a mixed review, which is why GBP's done that. Look at that, it whipped on both sides because it's quite a mixed review. That makes sense. That makes a lot of sense actually. Okay, I see. That's interesting actually.
Probably more productive ways to spend your time.
Actually, I'm gonna listen to this instead because I actually quite like this playlist more. Yeah. Okay, so we got a build up here, we come up here, drop all the way down here. Okay, interesting. We got a M5 supply zone up here. Could try and buy into that zone for the pound. Ooh, okay, you know what? Sells are looking interesting on the yen actually. Sells are looking interesting on the yen. If we're gonna see the dollar strengthen, we should naturally see a decline in the yen. And if you can look in DXY right over here, what are we seeing? We see it broke that level, that key level right here. Price literally broke it, come straight for a retest, and now we should see a continuation to the upper side. So that for me is interesting. Just unlock it, drag it over to next Friday. So now I'd want to see it reach up to the level of 99.5. That'd be a next level to see what happens around here, because you could class this as a resistance zone. It might take that level and then continue to the downside, creating a new, potentially a higher low. But I think that might be just a fake move to go to the downside even more potentially, because you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pretty much 1, 2, 3 weeks of worth of equal highs, I suppose, if it's on the weekly. Look at that, 1, 2, 3. That's a big pool of liquidity there. I see that. So to me, that's an important level. We'll see what comes from that. So anyway, we set this level. We did tap into a supply zone right here, but we have to be mindful because of the time that it tapped in. It tapped in at 7 o'clock. I know Frankfurt can be a bit sketchy, but actually, wait a second. You know what? Damn it, what did I do there? It didn't even induce it, it left equal lows. That's interesting, I can't lie. I might be able to, I need to think about where to hop in shorts from. Suppose you could just take it. Plus that whole zone. What's new? So build up, inducement, push to the upside. Yeah, valid. But we need an invalid demand zone to trade into. We don't have that. We have equal lows here, but on here we don't. We actually have this low here. I think you can short into this zone, so I need to just quickly get to the M1 full up for an entry. Okay, that's that done. Done. Let's go to M1. Ooh. Go to M1. Get in there relatively quickly. The likelihood of us going that high after yesterday's Donald Trump's bloody antics, unexpected for that to occur. Right, let's just stay on here then. So we got let's go on to the M2 because it's easier price action. High low, little high, high, little high, low, little high, high, little high, low, little high, high, little high, low. We got these two lows here, break structure. I don't want to see this break. Respect this high, break this low, and then that is the confirmation of a two-leg protocol for a short setup. On gbpchf, quickly put an alert here. There's 49. Let's do an alert at 45. Took an alert there. Boom, done. Ooh, it's made a higher high. Okay, that's just changed everything. So get rid of the alert. This is why the M1 is so fast paced. But we're gonna keep that low there because that low is still important. And let's go to the yen really quick. It looks like the yen's already made some of its moves. Okay, so oh dear, here comes London push. Yeah, that's happening. So now buys have gone out the window from as far as I'm aware now. Price did come into a demand zone right here, then reacted straight off of that just in the time window. That's rather interesting, isn't it? Price just missed that demand zone also. Have a look.
Foxy Mobile's unlimited social media is great.
Because you can see everyone's holiday snaps and feel like you're there.
Yeah, just missed that zone there as well.
Yeah, and it's only a tenner.
Let's just wait
Fun
then.
never ends with unlimited social media on Voxy Mobile. Selected social apps in UK, TNCs apply.
Build up, expansion to the downside, signals a reversal to the upper side, but only if it takes out some relevant zone to the left, but it hasn't taken any relevant zone out to the left. So I'm a bit stuck on GBPUSD. Same with the Euro USD. Same scenario, unfortunately. I think patience is gonna have to be exercised a lot today. But this trade was really good because you could have literally hopped in, yeah, from high low. Go to M1 to see if it's any clearer. High low to a high high, high low to a high high, high low to a higher high, lower low to a lower high to break this low, come into this supply zone. Ooh, perfect. If you'd have been okay, and then dropped from there, gone break even here. Just rather the break-even process here and then drop straight down. That'd have been perfect, and he wouldn't have got tagged out. But there would have been no partials or anything on this yet. According to my data, there'd been no partials or anything. And then would have got tagged here. So break-evens, I suppose. That would have been a trade. Would have been a break-even trade. All that does is just add swaps on commissions on your account. Right, anyway, let's go to this really quickly. Okay, we took the high from yesterday. That's significant. That's actually significant. That's interesting, that is. Took you by almost a pip. For me, that's classed as a sweep. For me, if it sweeps a zone, it does you by at least a pip. And that was pretty much it. It's 0.2 off, so that for me is okay. Because that could be enough. So let's see what happens here. So I'd build up sweep continuation. We've also got a bit of a build up going here, haven't we? If you just look at this here. Build up, tiny bit of a pullback, and then a continuation. You've got equal lows there as well. Let's see what happens. Actually, you could say that's a smart money zone, to be fair, to trade into this low right here. So, or invalid zone. People call it smart money zones. I call it invalid zone. What's it saying? Yes, Alan, Assalamu alaikum, bro. Bro, honestly, I was asleep, yeah, and I looked at my phone and I couldn't be asked in it. And then when I seen your message, I was like, oh, you know, might as well, man. Alan's there. So actually, thank you for that, bro. So literally, I woke up, looked at my phone, I was like, oh, I can't be asked. And then I seen your message, I was like, might as well, innit? I felt lazy, innit? I felt bare lazy. I'm waiting for your signal, inshallah, Joe. I'm looking for shorts. This is an invalid zone. Smart money traders are going to try and load up into here. Actually, you know, the M5 is actually not alright zone. The M5 is alright there. So, yeah, I'm just literally looking for potential shorts on gbpchf. GBP yen gave an entry right here, but here's the break-even point. But then obviously London Open the tag there anyway. They were just 4.8, but for me it didn't reach my data. For me, I would have wanted it to come down to this level. So if I do 50, if I do 70 pips on here, half of 70 is 35. Half of 30. You have to wait for around 30 pips on the yen. This would have been my partial zone, and that was what, 7.8R, but nope. But actually, it did touch the demand zone, didn't it? Yeah, it touched the demand zone actually. That's interesting. But anyway, yeah, just waiting to see what happens now. Let's get rid of that chart clean. So I'm looking for shorts on the yen, shorts on GBPCHF. For GBPUSD and GBP I'm thinking, I'm not sure. Probably shorts again because the DXY is so strong right now. It's broken, retested that level on the daily, man. But I needed to sweep a zone. It's take Asia low. Which lined up with 1, 2, 3, 4 lows, which is fine, but for me, it's not good enough. I need an external zone that needs to get taken in it. Oh, holy shit. Literally, I said that. So you know this. So you know this level here, yeah. 1 sec. Stupid music here. There's this level right here. Here, which is 99.4. I think that level is important. This 99.4 because you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 relatively equal highs. Yeah. If you go to the weekly, 1 week, 2 week, 3 week highs. Like that's so important, bro. So for me, we've done a break here, retest here, and we got a straight bullish candle right here. So I'm looking at price to go right the way up to about 99.4. We're gonna see what happens here. I might sweep these highs and do another push to the downside by, for example, like this, yeah. might do that and then come further down, because you got a lot of resting liquidity here from the DXY's perspective. That's like a resistance level. Price might come, sweep the level and come down. If you get a body close above it, that's going to be a sign that obviously we're going to reclaim up to 101 to 101.5, because this was the next key area. If you look at this here area here, key area on the DXY is the next one, is that. So I want to see what happens over here. I hope that makes sense. That's basically what I'm looking at, innit? Sorry. Yeah. I don't think unemployment is going to do much at all, because no one's really paying attention to unemployment. They're paying attention to inflation more. Okay, so high low led to a higher high, led to a higher low. Is this low going to get broken or what? I like the way this trade looks here, just because we've got this zone right here in it. So if we break this low, I want price to tap this supply zone first of all, yeah? Once we tap this supply, now we have, if we react off of it, breaking this low, yeah, that's a shift. Once you broke that low, we created a new supply. I'm going to take that short into this demand zone where everyone looks to sell, buy from, but we got resting liquidity below it. But we got this liquidity here from the news that come and swept this zone here as well. This zone needs to have a mitigation. If you've had a build up and a sweep and a break of structure, which has happened here, you need to get a mitigation. So I can trade into that mitigation, if that makes sense. It's like, you know how you get the liquidity cycle, yeah, you know, build up, sweep, and then break a structure and then a mitigation. I can trade into the mitigation. I don't think unemployment is going to do much, you know. I don't think it's going to do much. Just drop this onto Instagram really quick, you know. Yeah, not madness. Nothing's beating Trump's last night. Yeah. I got you. Oh, listen, I found basically I need to chat to you on a phone call after. I found a free software that's going to be beneficial, but it only works on MetaTrader 5 in it, so I can't use it, but I think for you it'd be really good, like really good. Like the video, please, Alan. If you haven't done it, please help send the algorithm and stuff in it.
Now it's even easier to sell for free on eBay. I was thinking, so we've used a grand total of once. Or the shirt I've been saying I'll wear for the last 2 years, but never have.
Yeah, it's the same one, bro. It's the same stream, innit? Same thing. Oh, look, price did it. Price tapped into that zone, broke structure. You got one zone here for shorts. You got one zone here for shorts. That one's balanced in price, so price shouldn't go there. This one's imbalanced. No, wait. And that's balanced in price as well, damn it. Yeah, this stream is the same, bro. The same one, like normal, isn't it? Inshallah, bro. Inshallah. Oh man, I like that still. I like that. I like that a lot. Bro, inshallah it'll happen, innit? Just a bit of patience and perseverance, bro. You know, all them man that be in the Robbins Cup, yeah? That man been trading for like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 years. None of them have been like 1-2 year traders, bro. So inshallah there'll be a day where we get to that level, innit? It just takes time and experience, innit? I don't want it to tap into this zone. Just pull back into this zone now and then sell off. Come on, you idiot. I literally just need price to do that now. I literally need it to, because now we've got high low, led to a high high, led to a high low, led to a lower high that respected the supply, that break structure here. Just need to come back into here, and then we can hit this zone, give a reaction, and then bang, whack it through, and then attack this zone down here. Yallah. You know how you have a reason to take the trade in it, yeah? I've got invalid reasons as well. If it touches a demand before touching my supply, that for me is proof that I should not take that trade. Because that zone is an M5 zone, which is a demand here that could easily tap into, then continue to make a higher high. So I need price to tap into the supply zone. Bashy the anomaly. That's your name. Nah, just say the anomaly trader. Or the trading anomaly, that's it. The trading anomaly. I like that a lot. I really like that. Get the short position tool out, rapid, bang it on here. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, so a trading anomaly, exactly. That's one. That sounds good actually, you know. Entry price will do 50, stop loss will do 0.4 above it. TP will do down there. 3, 2.5. So that's still valid right now. So let's just rapid whack on a limit. Come on, 50. Yeah, we're doing 2.5 pip SL. TP we're not doing, 0.25 risk. Boom, limit set on that one. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Any lot, Bismillah. Right, so let me just rapid chuck this on GBPCHF on the M1. Rapid thing. Uh, 1.07729. Can you price to come up and tap into the supply zone? If it does that, we're happy as it, Larry. 750 is the stop loss. No, 750 isn't the stop loss. It's 775. 775 is 4 pips on this. We want the limit. We want the entry to be here. Okay, trading, trade. Why hasn't it done it? There. Right, I'm close to getting triggered on the ACG accounts. Come on. Trigger it. Actually, no, I need to edit that. Close it. The SL is too tight. 3.2. Now short it. No, it's in the zone. No, how do you do live execution? Oh shit. Okay, there. Trade. Off of there. Boom. There, I've took off trade directly off of that zone. Okay, done. We're in the zone. Bismillah Rahman Rahim, Alan. You're gonna see my psychology, get it? So I'm in all my accounts. I'm in on all of my accounts. It doesn't look good. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. We need to respect the supply zone. Yeah, just on GBPCHF. But I'm on all my accounts except the funded next. I just need to execute on funded next. Boom, done on funded next as well. I just hope I get tagged. Let's see if we get tagged. Okay. So on my ACG account I got whacked. Because of the spreads. So ACG got bummed. Reaches peak. Because it just wicked the zone. See, look, it's dropping now. Bro, what the hell, man? What was the loss in the ACG accounts? This is why ACG is annoying, Alan Wallah, bro. You see here, it respected the zone in it, yeah? But on ACG, it whacked through it. By quite a bit. So I don't even get how it did that. It was the spread as well. It's because of the spread. Stupid ACG, man. Anyway, let's see how the trade goes in it. With the rest of the accounts. But they're so bad spreads. Right now the spread is 1.2 It moves too fast. 1.2 pips is the spread right now. 1.2, yeah. That's so bad. So bad. I'm just looking at all user accounts though. So all user accounts are... Okay, we're seeing a push down now on that side. You can see it here. There you go. Volume starting to creep in. It missed on my thingy account. On my phone, the 100k, it missed on the phone. Peak. Peak. Mind if it's TP on these, it's TP on these, innit? Just needed to break this structure here. Once it breaks this structure, Alan, I'm at break even. I'm done. Literally 4 or 5 minutes break even. Inshallah. And if it hits SL, no problem. We take a trade understanding that we're not always gonna win. Because now we've made a high low, higher high, lower high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Now we need to come and take this low to create the new lower low, and then boom, break even done, inshallah. See, it's so annoying about ACG, bro. Like, the spreads are so bad. I even gave a bigger SL on ACG. I did, see on here, it's 2.5 pip SL. On ACG, I did 3.2 pip SL. And it still got hit. That's the annoying thing about their broker, man. They're not that good. You know, if you're an M5, you're all right because you got room in your spread, in it. Like, you got a fair amount of room, haven't you? See how we come to this supply zone, yeah? We had bigger bearish candles than we have had bullish candles, which shows the sellers are having more volume stepping in. There you go, that's looking all right, isn't it? Now if we just pushes below here, break even zone. We're already at 1R. Across all accounts, that's already 1R. We're almost at 2R. The R on this for my partials. My partials are 15 pips, which is 6R. And my TP is gonna be 35, so what about 12, 13R expected? There we go, we're coming for this low now. I needed to break this low. Break the low. Yeah, we're coming. Oh, don't hit that demand zone first. Yeah, close, body close done. Yeah, boom, break even done. I'm gonna cover spreads on this as cover. I'm gonna cover commissions on this. So there's commissions covered, break even done, Alan. Now I'm stress free, bro. I'm stress free. I'm done. Whatever the trade does, whatever the trade does. Now we're at 6 pips. That's how many are 3 are there. My accounts are up right now. Across all my accounts, I'm up about 2 bag. 1,700. And now from this zone, we're either expecting a smoke. Literally, we're either expecting a reaction into the supply here and then whack through, or expecting an absolute melt. But inshallah, we see which occurs in it. I am a bit annoyed about the ACG, but that's not something I can control. That's just spreads in it. And you know the ACG counts 200k. You see how annoying it is on a 200k account, the spreads bum you. You see what I mean? Peak in it. Yeah, we go. We're literally at 2k in a second, Alan. Do you want to see the floating profit? Shall I show you the floating profit? There you go. Heron copier, floating profit between these accounts, 2,100. These are the accounts that got boomed. So the 10k ACG, 5k ACG, and the 200k ACG. You see on the 200k, I've literally got $700 left, and that's one that got whacked on the spreads. But across all the other accounts, we're up 1.8 right now. And I had the 100k in my phone that got that was too late to execute on. Happens in it, bro. Now we're getting a reaction here. This is just showing transparency in it. Now let me go back to trading view. Boom. Somewhat 2 grand on the accounts. But Alan is 2 grand and we're not even at partials, bro. Partials level is gonna be about 7, 8, 9 grand. Easy. Easy. Because right now that's 3R, yeah, literally that's 3R, and that was 2 bag, yeah. So 15 pips is gonna be about 4 bag. This is just partials, bro. The big one's gonna be TP. TP is gonna be about 8, 9k, 9k. Inshallah. Yeah, look, it's doing what I wanted. They came in, gave a reaction, it's coming down. I like this price action. Alan, thank you to you, bro. You're the one who got me to wake up and do the stream. Thank you to you, bro. Jazakallah. Let me just get a screenshot of this. For the look at that big push there. Look at that nice push there. I like it. I like that a lot. That up 3 bag almost. So let me just get a screenshot of this. There you go. Get a screenshot of the entry. This way no one can say that, oh, I lied and stuff like that. I'm gonna put all this on Instagram. Go to the M2 now. Now this is a zone where we've had a break. So it's an equal low sweep break. This is an important zone because you're going to see what occurs now in this level. Okay, we're break even on this trade anyway, so nothing really matters at this point. I just need price to come down to around 15 pips. We're going to look at the price action candle by candle. On the 1 minute, I'm going to see at what time I was starting to see exhaustion in the candle. Let's drop down to the M1. Now I need to be mindful of another trade. There's another trade that's going to happen also. Price is tapped into this supply zone on GU. If price jacks to the lower side, that would quite naturally give the CHF strength and naturally give weakness to the GBP. Okay, so we've had equal low sweep. Now we're getting a bullish reaction after we've taken these lows. But I'd like price to go a bit more. So we've gone 10.9 pips. I'd like it to go to 15. As per my data, innit? Because I just trade based off of the data. So yeah, we'll see. Bro, actually, do you want to see the spread on? Do you want to see the spread on ACG? Shall I show you? Wallah, it's so bad, bro. Let me show you in it. ACG. There, okay. So basically, yeah, the spread right now is 1.1 pips. Yeah, now if we go to here and we zoom out to M2, yeah, there was, it's hard to show in it, man. It's not thingy, innit? Because this is in the way. I can't get it out the way, bro. There, perfect. So my entry was this point here, my SL was this point here, but that's where I got triggered. So you see that difference there is the spread, yeah? You see how annoying that is because you got a one pip spread, 1.2 pip spread. It's a raw account. You see, I say it's raw. GBPCHF raw. How can you have a raw account having 1.2 pip spread, bro? You know what I mean? Peak, innit? Proper dumb, man. Back to trading. Right, so we're getting a bit of a bullish reaction now. That's okay because you've had equal low sweep, so we're gonna have a bit of push to the upside, but we should continue down. I'm expecting price to do this. We've taken it, probably come up a bit more, maybe even come to my supply zone and then sell off from there. Wait, let me just do that again. Yeah, so we've had this. You've had the sweep. You might have it coming into the supply and then sell from the supply down. Did you see the spreads? Yeah. Kasmi is horrendous, bro. The spread's horrendous, man. Okay, we're seeing GBP fall. Bro, if you're trading M15, you're all right. If you're trading M15, you're fine, but don't do it on M1, M2, M3. M5 might be hit and miss, depending on how big your zone is. M5 might be hit and miss, but on the 1 minute, bro, don't do it. Don't go to him. I'm literally telling you, don't. We're up 1.7, 1.68 right now. We just need a bit more of a drop. But you know what indicates to me that this is the real zone, Alan, is you see how the price was quite forceful, the volume in it, that shows to me, look at that, it's coming in again. You see that? That's how I know I've got the right inducement at the right time, because it tapped into the order block, gave a big reaction, pulled back into an order block, gave a big reaction, enticed in traders, gave a reaction, taking them out now. That's how I understand it. And you can see by this volume, look at that, the volume of the seller's momentum coming in. Big volume, bro, big volume. Bro, it'd have been sick if I got entered on the 100k account and the ACG's triggered, man, and this didn't get whacked. That'd be good. What we up on this account now then? We're up 861 on this account. That's mine. Well, what's the commission? It's 20 something. I like that. I like that. Now, if price breaks this low here, you could technically take it from this supply zone as a continuation, but you have to be mindful because you got fair value gap here, fair value gap here above. what I would do is if I had partials taken, then I would take the partials into another trade to do the continuation. But I don't do that until I've got partials because my accounts are in drawdown, as you already know, innit? Like most of them are. The break-even accounts I could, but because the trade copy is a bit sketchy in it to like do that, if you get me. See how the bullish candles are struggling to, yeah, look at that. See how the bullish candles are struggling to like they're struggling to show volume to the upper side, aren't they? Right, we're at 3k now, Alan. 3 bag, 3,200 and 3193, 3191, floating around there. Mashallah, tabarakallah. Bro, a lot of it's because of you, bro. You're the one who woke me up in it. Jazakallah, man. Let's see what full TP is. Let's have a look. Full TP is we could be safe at 30 or we could go for 35. 35 is gonna be 14R. So what we calling 14R? I don't know, innit? 14R is gonna be big. 4.4R is 3 grand, yeah. So 4, 8, 12. About 16k. It'll be about 15, 16k. But I take partials in it. So we have to be mindful of the partials. But you know what's annoying, Alan? That's missing a 200k account ACG, a 10k account ACG, 5k account ACG, and a 100k funded next account. If we had these accounts triggered, it would have been another 10k? No, not 10k. It would have been another, what, 4 or 5 bag. So it would have been nearly 20k, bro. That's about right, I think, innit? Yeah, about that much. But like funded next, not and no, they don't. Basically, they say that you can use a trade copier, but the funded next has to be the main master account. When I do that, the other companies don't allow it. You see what I'm saying? So I just do my own with the IC markets because of the spread and stuff like that. Because it's like the most average. Yeah, exactly. That's why I have to do ACG on my phone, funded next on my phone on the 100k, and then I have the ACG accounts all linked together because I told you about the spread in it, yeah? So I just separated ACG accounts and I done ACG all together. Because for example, if I have the SL and TP set on this account, and then it closes all the accounts when it hits on this one that you're seeing now, because the ACG price is different, if I do like 2.5% SL on this account, by the time it closes all the accounts, ACG is not took a 2.5 pip SL, it's took a 4 or 5 pip SL. So a 1% risk will be 2% on ACG. You see what I'm saying? It's too risky on ACG. Okay, Alan, there we go. 11 pips. We're up 3.5 right now. Did that make sense? Or did I explain it to you in a good way? Yeah. For transparency, I'm just gonna show the floating balance. There's floating balance of the trade. 200k accounts up 1500, 50k accounts up 38, 36. 10k account, 5k account, 5k account. That's 100k account. This is the one that I do all my trading on. So ignore this. So literally take 800 away, yeah. So say 2 grand. We're up actual 2 grand because this is including my master account in it, which is a demo. That's just for transparency on the video. There, back to that. We broke this low, we come into this supply. This is my order flow, bro. This is literally my order flow. So either gonna take this and tap into this, or takes this, taps into this, and then sells off again. You know what I could have done on the funded next? I could have done a live execution, but I'm not fast on MetaTrader from setting limits to changing to live execution. I'm not fast at it. Like I'm a bit like, you know what I mean? Oh, but I'm looking at funded next now, actually. It looks like I would have got whacked by spreads. Oh, if I didn't cover the high, I would have got whacked by spreads, actually, you know. You see how the difference on these different prop firms is really important on M1 because of how the... I'm just looking at the M1 account in it on the next. That's peak. Are you in any trades? Are you in anything? He literally respected that supply. Order flowing should now make another step to the downside. See if there's anything about before an employee. Yeah. I'm gonna try and hold this through. You know, so there you go. There comes the push. There comes the push. Almost full bag. So for me, I'm gonna hold to this level. If we get to this level before unemployment claims, because I never close out a trade fully. I never fully close out a trade. I just take partials, move the stop loss. Take partials, move the stop loss. I don't ever hit TP and close everything. So once I've hit 35 pips, macro time my son right now. Yeah. So that's what I do anyway, innit? With how I do it. So yeah, so I have partials at 15 pips on GU and GBPCHF. I have partial at 10 to 12 pips on EU, On GBPJPY, I have partials at around 30 pips, 25, 30 pips. I say full TP, but it's like the next level of take profit is 35 pips on GU, 30 to 35 pips on GBPCHF, 20 to 25 pips on EU, 50 to 60 pips on GBPJPY. At that point, I'm already break even anyway, yeah? Even on the partials, I'm break even anyway. But I roll stop to my partial level. If I'm at full TP level, I roll stop to partial level. Then I go for my next level, which is 45 pips on GU and GBPCHF. On EU is 35 pips is my next level. And then on GBPJPY, it's 70 pips is my next level. So it's all data driven. As per that data I've sent you before. I'm at partial levels now, so I might be taking a bit of money. So let's do, where's the calculator? I want to do 40% of 7.1 lots. So 40, 7.1, take away 40%. So I want to close 2.84. Yeah, I want to close 2.84. So let's just get ready for that. That's gonna be on the candle minute close, so I don't do exactly at 15. If I see a big bearish candle at 15 pips, I'm gonna hold it, hold it, and wait. If price passes that 15 pips by 2-3 pips, I'll to see if price comes back into that level or if it continues, to allow myself to maximize the partials. Does that make sense? Copy 2.84. We're also coming into a build-up level here. Yeah, it's running good right now, bro. It's up 3.8 right now, 3.9. Obviously, take out $1,000 for the demo account that's actually doing the thingy in it. Okay, there we go. 14.6, 14.3, partial close. Get ready for this now. Now we're just gonna look at price. What is it doing? I need to go to M1 actually. Yeah, there. Be easy if I see the pips in it there. Okay. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. You should take partials in the moment. Be the first trade I've taken, or the second trade I've taken after ages. Price is messing around, that's fine. There we go. Push down with some momentum. That'd be lovely, jovely. There we go. 14.4. Now the problem we have here, we could have a reaction at this zone because you got a build up here. This could be a build up, a sweep, and a continuation to the upper side. So we have to be mindful of that occurrence in case it happens, innit? GBPJPY is consolidating. That's not what I wanted to see. Price is slowly making a move to the upper side on EU and on GU in respect to the supply and come off from there. Here we're having a reaction here on GBPCHF. You know the reason why I love GBPCHF, Alan? The price action so clean, bro. So clean. Let's need a big bearish candle, man, to get to that 15 pip range to then see what happens. This might want to mess around. It could do a reversal from here. It's possible. Very possible, actually, that could happen. You know what? I might as well just change where I got triggered in, because I got triggered in at 52, didn't I? Yeah, 52. Oh, it's actually going to be 15.3 R. Because the SL was the same, I think. I think the SL was the same zone. Yeah. Actually, no, let's just leave it. Leave it. I'll take a picture of this in it. If I took a picture of it on my phone, I can't. Oh, bloody hell. I have to post the trade and then comment into it. There's pictures there. Download? Why is it going to downloads for? No, no, no. You're meant to go into pictures, you stupid.
Introducing an award-winning app from Rwanda, voted 2022's most popular broker by TradingView. Setting up the app is as easy as compiling a playlist.
Yeah, that's fine for that. I just need to... I have to do the hashtags and stuff now as well, innit? This is annoying, man. I'm just gonna post it minor. There, done. Posted that. Now Alan, I just made you moderator, by the way, if you're still here on the live stream. Just eating, yeah, sad. But it's hard to do social media, man. Like all these things, you get a bit flustered, bro. Okay, here we go with that partials. We're at the level for partials right now. So I'm going to close 40%. Actually, I'm going to do 45% of it. Not 40%. So 7.1, take away 45% is 3.1. 3.19. To leave 3.9. Yeah, that's 45%. Yeah, done. Need to wait for it now. I bet Wacko and them guys have a team for like marketing, bro, and stuff like that. Because no way on his own can he give a signal and everything like that on his ones, bro. It happens too fast. And he trades M1. I used there's 15 pips. Like no way he can do it on his own like that, bro. There we go, 15.1, 15.4, 15.5. Okay, this is interesting. Now what we're going to see is I'm going to keep holding. Yeah, it'll keep pushing there. 15.7, 15.9, 15. Ooh. And the body close on that candle, it just makes me want to hold it. So I'm just thinking to hold it for a bit more. There. So let's see. I'm gonna go 16.2. That's 4.5 bag right now, by the way, Alan. Just want another push. Just another push for about 17, 18 pips, and I'll take it. Uh, 4,800. Let's take off $1,000 for the demo account, innit? There you go. But if I had the 100k account in there, yeah, I risk 0.5 on there. That'd have been 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. I would have been 3.5 grand more just on the 100k account because I risk 0.5% on the 100k. I literally risk 0.5. We're at 17 pips right now. And the 200k account, I risk £100 because there's not much of capital left on there. So that would have been another 800-900 quid. We're up 5 bag now, Alan. 5 bag. I'll show you the floating 5k. There's floating 5 bag. Floating 5 bag, Alan. See that? Yeah. 17.8 is gonna go up to about 5.355 in a second. That's 17.7. I'm gonna close that at around 18 for 45%. Let's go back to TradingView. Yeah. I think I might have been a bit greedy. Ooh. Oh, there we go. Pushing down a bit. $16 is pulling back a bit. Yeah, it's coming back down again. Yeah, we're almost at 18 pips now. Yeah, I got 18.4. I'm going to close on the candle. I'm going to close on the candle of whatever this is. If this closes at 19 pips, closes at 20 pips, I'm going to take partials at that candle close. Got 20 seconds. 18.5 pips right now. We're up 5.5. 18.2. Got 17 seconds left. What's it going to end on this candle? If I see like a good push, bro, like a solid like 18, 19 pips, I'll be happy with that, like really happy. 18.3, 18.4, 18.5, boom. Partials closed out at 18.8 pips, I think it was. Let's just see if he's closed the partials on these other accounts. Yep, partials on there have been taken. On this account they haven't. Oh, how do you do partials on MetaTrader? Modify or delete. Shit. How do you do partials on MetaTrader? I don't know how to do it. Modify or delete. Stop loss, take profit, points. Alan, how do you do partials, bro, on MetaTrader? Close position, no. Modify position. I want to do market execution pending order. No. I want to do partials. How do you... Alan, how do you take partials? No, I mean on MetaTrader, the software itself. If I close trade, it's going to close it fully, isn't it? On the software, like the actual software. Yeah, but I don't know if I've got the account on my phone, innit? Which account is it? One sec. It's my 5k quant tech on. Yeah, I think I got it. Yeah. Sick. There. That was weird. It didn't close out the trade in the way it should have closed out the trade. Huh. Right. Luckily, bro, I had my accounts on my phone, innit? So I just literally, like, because I've got all of them logged in, like all of my accounts. I just rapid hopped into it and just closed it out. Let's look at the other accounts, make sure they're all done. Has this one taken partials? GBPCHF, yes it has. That's on the 50k account right now. That's a 10k. Okay, on the 10k account I'm almost at break even, and I was down like, yeah, like bare percentage, bro. I'm almost back at break even. On the 200k account with ACG, I made a bag. Yo, big money still. Nice, this is good. This is good. Mashallah, lovely business, bro. Yeah, alhamdulillah. So now, I'm gonna leave everything as it is. The next level is 35 pips. When we get near that level, I'm rolling the stop to 18 pips. And see, on TradingView, it even says we have taken the entry and stuff as well. Let me just maximize that for thingy. Chuck that into thingy innit? Now from here we might get a reaction. I don't know. At what point do I deem the trade to no longer be valid? If it comes all the way back up here, I'm not taking that. What level would I expect? So let's just say about here, 9 pips. Let's do 8.5. Give it breathing. Yeah, there. Now move my stop loss to here. I'm thinking if that's the right thing to do or not. Let's go on the M5. Have a look at M5. We've had a build up, had a pullback, had a continuation. We broke through that level, and then we come to here. Now we're at this level of here. Now from here, could price go on to make a higher high? It could. If it does, I want to be at a higher level of profit than having exposure in the market, innit? Yeah, that's right, actually. Yeah, that's a fair point. I think I'm gonna draw my stop. So the stop to here is 9.5 pips. I'm gonna roll it to 8.5. This is slightly outside of the way I usually do things, but I'm thinking from a logical perspective. Just because my accounts are in drawdown. So where did I take partials? 107, 570, 107, 570. Alan, that partial was 7.2R. 7.2R. Alhamdulillah. 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 That's 45% I took. 45%. Because I do 45% at that level, 45% at max TP level, then I leave the extra 10% running to the next level at 10%, and then at 5% I take at the next level I take 5% again. I leave another 5%. because the next level is 15 pips. 15 pips. That 15 pips is another 6-7 is another 4-5 and it just adds to the overall value of the move, innit? If you catch what I mean. It's just maximizing on that trade. I just updated that onto X. Boom. Right, so now we see in it. We're gonna have a reaction at 30 pips and 35 pips. So let's go to 30. 30s here. That's 12R. We'll see what happens at 12R because sometimes it gets a bit, you know what I mean, sketchy. So even now, after taking partials, I'm going to show my floating balance. After taking partials, I'm still floating 3.5k. So I've paid myself about 3k, 2.5, 3k I think I've paid myself. And then I've got this floating balance left. Actually, tell me here how much I've made in it. Actually, no, that's how much I've taken. Yeah. Bashy CHF for the win, man. Big man pair still. I wanted to short gbpjpy, but it's not giving anything. I'd like to see a big sweep of all these highs, then give me confirmation how I had the confirmation here for a short, and then I'll enter in on gbpjpy for shorts. So what do you reckon to my psychology when I'm in a trade then, Alan? I think it's still pretty solid, you know. I wasn't panicking, I was just more like commentating on the price action. Get like you, big man. You're gassing me, bro. I'm getting a bit excited. I don't often hit full TP, yeah, because of how hard it is to get the full move right and stuff, but partials often occur. I'm just annoyed about ACG, but it's not something I can't control, innit? I'm just gonna look on MetaTrader as well, how fast it is to switch from a limit to a thingy, innit? I get used to it because I'm not used to switching from limits to thingy, innit? Now I'm not really asked what happens in price action. It either comes back, takes me at SL, or it goes to TP. But now I'm just not asked whatever happens in it. I'm gonna set a limit around here just to give me a warning in it. You can get cash register sound as well, bro. That's sick. Literally, it's sick. That's like ching ching. Okay, so if you set your limit like that, and you put that there, and then you do like that. And then you wanna swap from there. That's the sell limit. Why stop? Yeah, cash register sick. Yeah, I like that. Bro, I don't know how to... So, the struggle I have with MetaTrader on the phone, yeah, is switching from a limit where you have your SL set there, yeah, to a live execution. I'm not good at doing that because when you do live execution, you have to put your SL there anyway, and I don't want to open the trade and have too big of a lot size because I'm doing... On the 100k can, the lot sizes are like 10, 15, 20 lot, and the commissions you get whacked. So I'm not that good at switching from a limit to an instant live execution. It's tricky, man. Because then if you do it like wrong or you enter too big of a position, then the commission is, yeah, the commissions are a lot in it. Because I account for commissions also. So I risk 0.5, which is £500 in it, yeah. But I do £450 or £460 to include commissions. Because there are about 10 lots in it. So it's about $30 because $3 a lot. Yeah. But on the M1 it's hard, innit, bro? When it's at your level and you try to set the limit and it don't set the limit because it's already at your level, it don't set it, so you need to go to live and then execute it. It's a bit, you know what I mean, tricky, innit? I normally have the same size account, so just execute and swap, execute again. Yeah. I can't do that. I get panicked. You even see me a bit slow on the live stream when I was trying to do it on my phone and try and do it on the ACG account. It's a bit like, you know what I mean? Price action's bad today though, man. Like it's not good, is it? Price is hovering around the 22 level, 22 pip level. Yeah, but look at these equal highs on GJ, bro, on the M5. Isn't that suspicious as hell? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. There's that 15 equal highs. That zone's gonna get whacked. Yes, Lee. Lee, it's a good day today, bro. Bashy CHF paid off. Bashy CHF paid off, Lee. Lee, meet Alan. Alan, meet Lee. Lee's from the UK. Alan's from the UK. Alan's one of my best friends. He's from up north, Manchester way. Yeah. But you know the annoying thing, Lee? One 200k account got taken out from spreads. ACG is absolutely horrendous, bro. And it was a 200k account, which sucks balls. And I tried to execute on a 100k account on my phone as well, because I've got obviously numerous accounts. So I didn't even get triggered on there, because like I'm not good at going from a limit to a live execution on MetaTrader on the phone, if that makes sense. So yeah, but through the other accounts, I'm up about 2.5 right now anyway, floating balance. There's the proof. It would have been probably another 2,000, 3,000 on top if it triggered on the other accounts. Unfortunately, it didn't. Back to trading. Price is making a move to the upside. Why would it do that? So let's just investigate. Why would price make a move to the upper side? So on the 5 minute, there's no demand zone here for price to react to go up. So all I can see from here is we're gonna continue to the downside, because we got a channel right here. Price is coming up to take the channel to do a continuation to the downside is what I'm thinking. So let's see what happens. Build up. So I'd like to see price come down after sweeping this zone pretty much. And if it doesn't, I might get tagged at that level. I don't know, I've taken partials anyway, man. I should have just allowed the trade to do what it needs to do. I'm thinking about moving this over here. I've already taken partials at 7.2 R anyways. I suppose I could just be patient in it. Yeah, why not? Just be patient. And I'd like to see a push to the downside now, ideally from here. Or is coming into the supply. Yeah, it's tapped into the supply now. Ooh, I could have taken another entry. Oh, I could have taken another entry right there. Let me have a look. Let's just lock that down. BE zone, lock that down. Everything locked down. Yeah, that zone's valid actually. No. 3.7 pips is slightly big SL, or if I can go down here and go break even, still another 3R in it. Is it worth it? No, it's not. Let's go to M1 and I squeeze a better position. I'd rather go into here. 28. 28. And then you can have the SL. Ooh, 9:30 is the reversal time. Ooh, I don't like that. Ooh, I don't like that. 9:30 reversal occurs. Ooh, I don't like that. Damn it, man. Because I'm not sure, I'm not going to take it. I'm already up 7.2. Oh, why am I going to expose myself to more risk if I'm uncertain? Let's just wait and see. Anyway, Lee, what's up? What are you doing? Thanks, Alan, for liking the posts. I appreciate it, man. On X. Lads, make sure you like the video, please. Like the stream and stuff. Please, it helps, innit? Let's just see if it respects the zone or if it breaks the zone. If it respects the zone, that's order flow. If it breaks the zone, we're getting a reversal. Because 9:30 is where the volume came in. And that's a significant point of time on the on M1. Okay, there we go. GBPJPY shorts are on the table. Literally right on the table. 11:30 reversal point could be there. Let's go to M15. You're just taking that level there. There's the supply zone just above it. Let's go to 14. 5. Okay, I think that I might be looking for shorts any second now on GBPJPY. You've taken the zone by almost a pip. I want to see a sweep of at least 2-3 pips on JPY for me to get that as like an actual sweep. Go to M2 in it. Lee, when you see Ball, tell him Bashy went to M2. He's gonna laugh. Okay, we're still in that zone. Indices are flat today after Trump's BS yesterday. I'm in Euro AED. OT was in but ranging, then Aussie jobs broke out. Yeah. I was actually looking at the press conference because I wanted to see what the Crown Prince of Bahrain was gonna say, because I was curious anyway. And I thought that, wait a second, just like a few minutes ago, we had the Trump statement about Powell. So I thought he might get asked in it. So when he made his opening statement and then the Crown Prince made his opening statement, the first question was literally by one of the press conference people was about what's happened with Powell. I was like, thank God I'm watching the stream, and I watched all of it live, bro. He was hopping left and right. He was saying that, oh, you know, he's not doing this, he's not doing that. They're like, oh, you're gonna take him to court. He was like, oh yeah, we were just talking to officials. Oh, is he in Malta now then? Yeah. So he's officially in Malta. But yeah, like he was just doing so much willy wally, bro. Okay, so we've wicked this zone. That means we've induced this high to come lower, which is also valid. If we get a break to the low side, this is still valid, even though it swept that high, because it's coming to take the structural high, take out the traders to come down. Oh, my Bella. Yeah, my Bella. Got you. So now, I'd like to see if it comes down. Yes. Be a good boy, come down for daddy. Papa Bear. Marbella, yeah. Marbella, yeah. That's how it is, isn't it, with these Caucasian holiday destinations? It's like, you know, when you guys say Dubai, it's not Dubai, it's Dubai. Dubai, not Dubai. Dubai. It's so British when they say that, man. Like, so British. Okay, so now I'd like to see it come to the downside. My bad. See how it's taking this high and struggling to go up with volume? That's signaling to me that we're going to get a reversal in a moment, because we swept it, then we had a big rejection, then we dojied, then we got a volume where we're not breaking the high, we're struggling to break it. So I think this might come to the downside now, possibly. Because here we had the volume, yeah? We had a bit of a pullback. We had the volume, sideways, volume. Sweep this high, rejecting, dojiing. So might be getting a push to downside. Might. Da 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 da. We do have another level here, actually. So we got a supply. Oh, what happened there? What happened there? That was weird. Anyway, so we do have a supply zone right here. I'm just gonna bring it over there. So we sweep these highs, we might tap into this high and then sell from there possibly. Oh, it's coming. Price is coming. Now we're gonna see what happens in this zone. Is it gonna respect the zone or is it just gonna plow through it? But I'm happy anyway because I've got my partials at 7.2R, so I'm happy with that if I don't hit TP. If we get a push to the downside from here, it'd be good because it allows me to roll the stock further. Lee, bro, chat to me, man. What's going on? If you're still here. If you're not here, then why are you not here, bro? Why you leave? Price wanted to induce these levels. I have no idea why I'm not here. It's just on here when you don't comment for a bit and you look at participants, it says that you're not here. So then I'd be like, is he here or not? Because it shows Alan's not here as well, but I'm guessing he is because he said he was eating food or something. Watching price action. Yeah. Do you want me to pull anything up on the screen for you to watch? Because I'm mainly just focused on GBPCHF, bro. So is there anything that you want me to pull up that you can look at? Because I'm not looking at EU, GU, only just gbpjpy. Also, like the video, please. Thank you. It's gonna take me out. But I think it's going to induce that high, so I'm going to just move this right here. I think it's going to induce that high and come down. Yeah, that's good. Thank you, Lee. I appreciate it. I'm surprised OT isn't here. Or Bernard. Bernard's not commented either. But you know when you guys comment on the live stream and stuff, it works with the algorithm, innit? Because basically, if you guys like come to the stream and you don't watch all of it and you don't comment, it goes into algorithm saying that his videos are not desirable. Does that make sense? When people comment and stuff like that, it shows that there is activity there, therefore it's a desired video. That's why everyone be like so much like, yeah, like, share, subscribe, blah, blah, blah. I seen that James was on stream yesterday. How is he? I didn't get a chance to come on stream. I watched it, but I didn't really. I popped in and out, but I was a bit busy, so I didn't really get a chance to talk to James. But how's he doing and how's his positions and stuff? I'm watching Dow for a bullish setup. What time frame? James isn't in much. Yeah, I know he's a bit busy nowadays, ain't he? From the looks of it. $15 on Dow. Right, let me pull up Dow on 15 minutes. 1 second. I'll probably do it on which pair should I do it? Because I want to keep an eye on GBP yen, which is doing something right now. Actually, this is rapid. Get on to Dow. Here, US 30. There you go. There's US 30 for ya. Any update for watch nice. Yeah, I guess US is in there. Shows view of all the random streamers. That's funny, that is. She's up to date with the markets, Shirls is. She's proper up to date with the markets and what's going on. You're welcome, mate. I'll put on 30-minute time frame so it's a bit more visible. Or do you want, I charge you to do 15 because you want 15 in it. There you go, bro. And your day for XAUUSD, bullish or bearish? Brother, I don't even need to look at gold to tell you it's bullish. Gold is always bullish, forever and always. So all I'm seeing from here on the M50, let's go to the 1H first of all. We come low, taking these lows here, come high, taking these highs there. That doesn't necessarily mean anything to me. I would look for buys, definitely, because you've had the 1, 2 lows here, there, sweet there. 1 second. We haven't broken any, we've only just broken this structure to the upside. If we make a higher low, so for example, we've done that, yeah. So if you respect a higher low and we break to the high side without respecting this supply zone, we can come back to here and take a long all to the highs, because the uncertainty is never ending. So you could do that. You could cover the low there for 280 pips, or you could just cover this low, which is what I would do, to be 100 pips, and then just target the top. I would target these highs for 20R. Probably take you a day to hold on to. If you're doing intraday, I would target an intraday perspective. I'd target around the midline of Asia. So that's what I'd say, Nubex. That's a full trade setup, everything given to you. Knock yourself out. I'm gonna delete that now. I'm gonna get taken out, I think, here. Just gonna give it 3.5 pips. Just give it a bit more. Give it a bit more. Yeah, you're welcome, Nubex. I hope that makes sense to you. If you're gonna buy gold, always look for a confirmation entry. If gold leaves without giving you confirmation entry, accept it for whatever it is. Thanks, buddy. You're most welcome, no problem. You're someone new who I don't know, so like and share and subscribe. And if you have any questions, let me know. I'm also a psychological. I'm a pro in psychology. If you need any advice on trading psychology. Perfect example is I was up 8R and I'm almost gonna get tagged out at a teeny bit over break even, and I'm not bothered. Thank you, I appreciate it, noob. Lee, I've got my first new person in the stream. Yay! What type of trader are you, noob? Are you fundamental? Are you technical? What type of trader are you? Oh, there we go. Got tagged. There we go. I'm out of that. Checking all my accounts. Yeah, I'm out of that. So yeah, boom, there we go. I got taken out. Here. Stop. That's fine. Get rid of all the stuff that's in the way. Right, so let's see how much I made today then across all the accounts. So 100 on there. 130 on there, so 230. So 230 on those accounts. On this one, 170, so 130, 330, £400. Sorry, 400 plus 400, so 780, 780, 1,700, 2,100, 2,200 today. That's not bad. That's not bad. That's actually not bad. It cost 23 grand to do an oil change on a Bugatti. Honestly, I'll never have a Bugatti. I don't think they're all that. I'm gonna keep my Hondas and keep my stuff like that. So yeah, I'm just gonna stick to the stuff that I like in it. Alright, let me just put this onto X then. Okay, so then just take that there. And and stick this on X. 1 second, guys. Where's my posts? Where's my posts? Where's my posts? There it is. Boom, that's done on X. Sorry, I was just updating X in my bad daily. Let me just see what you was on about, mate. Don't buy an exotic car from this man. Chances are it won't be exotic. I don't do exotic cars, bro. They're not my cup of tea. They're not my cup of tea. They're a bit plain Jane, if you ask me. The only thing I'll do is I'd buy a Lambo, a Ventador, because I do like Aventadors. Then I'd strap 2 ginormous turbos on it. Actually, no. I'd buy the Lamborghini Aventador. I'd pull the engine out, strip the engine down, beef everything up, then strap 2 big turbos to it and make about 3,000 horsepower, which is possible. That's the type of supercar, hypercar I'm interested in. Not just a standard Bugatti or a standard. No, they're boring. No. Not good enough for me. Not good enough. Funny how price come back to my break-even zone and then started to give a reaction. Meh. Okay, so the trade opportunity I'm thinking for on the yen is basically if we get a break below here. If we get a break below here, I'm thinking of taking shorts on GJ. And it'd be a free trade because I can just leverage some of the profits I've had from the GBPCHF short. And I'd say we got a demand zone here where people are looking to take a buy from, which I would call it an invalid zone. So I think that'll be fine. But the entry needs to happen in the next 9 minutes, otherwise it's outside of my trading window. Gotta be in my trading window. US 30 is not doing much, Lee. What are you looking for in US 30 exactly? What are you looking for? It's not doing much. I'll probably leave it until New York open. Yeah, the volume is a bit down right now. The trade already happened actually. The shorts in it. You had these highs here, these highs here, these highs here that got taken at a meaningful point. Price rejected from there. The sells already happened. I would have sold around here because my strategy works on US 30, Nasdaq. I never tried S&P 500, but I'm guessing it probably would. I'd have to get data and back test it to check. But it works on all G10 currencies, so all yen crosses, all pound crosses, all euro crosses, all dollar crosses. I've never tried NZD or CAD or stuff like that, but it works on the GBP crosses, gold, silver. I don't know about oil. I don't know if it works on oil. But yeah. Anyway, price is looking nice to me right here. Ooh. Bashy, chances are it works on any chart. Yeah, it does. Because the concept is the same in it. The only things that it doesn't work on, I don't know. If you take my strategy on M5, it works on every single chart. If you take on M1, you have to be more mindful of it because the confirmation entry might not be so relevant on some charts on M1. But if you do it on M5, 100% it works on all pairs. I'm just looking across all my accounts to see how the profits have shown. That's not too bad actually. Okay, so I think I'm done for the day, you know, just because the way it looks, we're not gonna get anything in the next 4 minutes. So that weren't too bad to be honest. So it took how many minutes for a partial? So I took a trade at this time, so I was break even in 6 minutes, had partials in 45 minutes. Yeah, that's not bad. I'm at 2 Bashy. Yeah, that's fine. Thanks for coming, Lee. I appreciate it, bro. It means a lot. Thank you, my guy. I'm just gonna stay on the stream till the 15 minutes, just because, like, you know, discipline and stuff. I'll probably see you on next stream or something later on. Probably. If I got time. Oh, shaky shake. Who got the shakes? Why is that true? That was weird. Yeah. Yeah, just checking it out. That seems okay. I'm officially done, so I'm happy with that. Happy with how today worked out, to be fair. The only nuisance was obviously ACG account spreads and stuff like that. It was so annoying, but it is what it is. But in terms of the day, yeah, it was good. GBP shorts worked out well. Happy days. So yeah, I mean, that was not bad at all. The likelihood is this is going to go into Friday, so let's just Friday. I'm done with this because I'm not gonna let's get rid of all of this. I'll keep this here just because I'm curious I might actually land. I might be completely right on this, so let's just see. Yeah, that's perfect. So bring this over to I don't know why I did extended hours, but this is gonna want to go over to Friday. Yep, there we go. This is gonna have to go over to New York session, so to about 4 o'clock. And then this probably want to go around that time as well, and same with that. There's that. Let's just have a look at GU really quick, see if there was anything there, because I was focused on CHF, right? So there was a buy opportunity here, or it would have led to a break-even target anyway. So that wouldn't have been ideal. What about morning? Oh, morning, Sean. How you doing, mate? You just missed a trade I took and stuff, and I got partials and everything, so just here managed to bank 50% at 7.2 or 7.3 or something. I'm good. I'm great, mate. Had a fantastic morning actually. Nice trade. So yeah, lovely day. I'm gonna look here now. I'm just looking at what other trades there were. There was a trade on GU, but would have been tagged at break even, no partials hit. I was waiting for yen shorts, but it's outside of my time window now. And I'm just looking at what other trades I might have missed because I was quite focused on GBPCHF, which did brilliant, man. Brilliant trade. The execution was right here. You can see the time there, price tagged in 1 2 3 4 5 6 minutes, break even, volume comes straight in the first thing of the trade. I was floating about 5 grand across, 3 grand across all my accounts in a matter of 10 minutes. Beautiful price action there. And that's Bashy CHF, obviously. So yeah, it's a great trade, man. Took partials here, which was exactly
doing it yourself. It's the difference between being
7.2 or I took 45%.
between a homemade recipe
Then
and a
I was
household
targeting 30, price come back, it tagged me out around here because I rolled my stop just to cover commissions and stuff. But I would have been break even. It's all right trade, man.
Do it yourself. Create your website on Wix.
So yeah, just looking at this now.
Orphans are easier to ignore before you know their names. They are easier to ignore.
So if you took it, you would have got whacked if you took it from here, unless you covered both zones.
Before you hold them in your arms. But once you do, everything changes.
Higher low to a higher high. But it didn't break this high. Duck. Oh, hello. How you doing, mate? You alright? So I can't think that the demand zone there tapped into it, gave reaction, come back, induced it. That would have been a risky one, to be honest. So I was talking to one more minute. Yeah. This is definitely going into Friday. This is definitely going into about 3-4 p.m. How are you, Dak? I'm guessing it's Demarian, right? Damn. Just to let you know, it's Kieran. Oh, it's Kieran. I thought it was Demarian. My bad. What's going on, lad? Get on trading, mate. Make the money. Be a millionaire. Follow signals by me. I wish Lee was here. I wanted to ask Lee a question, actually. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna go unless you guys want to talk about anything, because I was actually gonna end the stream at 1:15 anyway. So unless you guys have got something you want to say, I'm gonna dip. Take that as a no. All right then, guys, I'm gonna go. Take it easy, have a good one. Like, share, subscribe, and I appreciate everyone who came and supported the video and the channel and the new subscriber as well. Apparently new Brex, that was nice as well. So yeah, thank you, bye.